Hey guys, welcome back. Here Poonam Singh, learn chemistry just in minute.
In this lecture, we will discuss about methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. We can get carboxylic acids by oxidation of alcohols and aldehydes, right? Oxidation of alcohols can be carried out in the presence of oxidizing agent. Here, I am taking the example RCH2OH. It is example of 1 degree alcohol. In the presence of K2Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7 acidic medium, oxidation होगा, oxidation on oxidation, what we get, as you know, 1 degree alcohol on oxidation in the presence of oxidizing agent K2Cr2O7, medium is acidic, then what we get aldehyde, right? On further oxidation, what we get? Carboxylic acid. This whole aldehyde group is converted into RCOH, right? Oxidation, as you know, addition of oxygen. So this hydrogen is replaced and addition of oxygen takes place. So this is carboxylic acid. I am taking another example. I am taking ethanol. Ethanol, as you know, CH3CH2OH in the presence of same reagent K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. Medium is acidic. Oxidation. What will happen? This CH2OH is converted into the aldehyde group. Then कैसे लिखेंगे हम इसको? CH3, this CH2OH whole group is changes into the aldehyde group. It is ethanol, right? And then further oxidation, we get carboxylic group. What? CH3COOH, ethanoic acid. Ethanoic for what? 2 carbon atoms. So we would say ethanoic, oic for carboxylic acid group के लिए OIC लग जाता है अल के प्लेस पर. अल is for the aldehyde, oic for the carboxylic group. It is ethanoic acid. I am taking another example. I am taking benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol is C6H5CH2OH on oxidation. Oxidation हो रहा है. Oxidation, as you know, addition of oxygens in the presence of oxidizing agent Cr2O7. मीडियम आपका कैसा है? एसिडिक H2SO4. क्या बनेगा आपका? ये अल्कोहल वाला पार्ट किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? पहले एल्डिहाइड में. तो आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? C6H5 and CH. Benzaldehyde is formed. Benzaldehyde is formed. Okay. On further oxidation, what will happen? As we have reagent K2Cr2O7, acidic medium है. This aldehyde group is changes into the COH group. This CHO group is changes into the COH group. Then benzoic acid is formed. Benzene and benzoic acid is formed. Benzoic acid. Okay, this is the methods in which oxidation of alcohol takes place in the presence of strong oxidizing agent, acidic medium. Oxidation, as you know, addition of oxygens on the alcohol group, and we get first 1 degree alcohol get aldehyde and then acid, carboxylic acid. Now by oxidation of alkyl benzene, oxidation of alkyl benzene is what? Benzene ring, right? And one alkyl group CH3. It is methyl benzene, or you can say toluene, right? Oxidation takes place. The reagent is KMnO4, potassium permanganate. What they yield? Carboxylic acid is yield. This methyl group is changes into the carboxylic group. How? Like this. Benzene ring, the same benzene ring, and this COOH group. COOH group. It is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Right. Same. Whatever the length of the attached alkyl group. Whatever the length of the attached alkyl group, it is converted into simple carboxylic acid. Here I am taking another example. See, benzene ring. Now I am taking the example of ethyl benzene. This is the methyl benzene. I am taking another example, ethyl benzene. Ethyl is alkyl which is directly attached to the benzene ring. CH2 CH3. Oxidation hoga, oxygen. Then what will happen? As I earlier told you, whatever the length of the alkyl group, it is directly converted into the carboxylic group, COH group. So आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. So we will write benzene ring as it is, and this CH2 CH3 group changes into the COOH group, benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Right. By elimination of CO2 and water molecule, this reaction takes place in the presence of KMnO4, potassium permanganate, as reagent. Right. These are the two methods in which we can prepare carboxylic acids. The another example I am taking by hydrolysis of cyanides. Cyanides, you know what? CN group is directly attached to the alkyl group, like R CN group. Hydrolysis is what? H2O. इसका hydrolysis होगा C triple bond N का. What will happen? Then carboxylic acid is formed. I am taking this reaction in the presence of acid में भी हो सकती है और alkali में भी हो सकती है. Then what will happen? This CN group changes into the what? COH group में. R C O O H by addition of ammonia. Right. I am taking the example of another example, methyl cyanide. Methyl is what? CH3 CN plus water molecule in the presence of acidic ले सकते हैं और OH negative ले सकते हैं. Then what they will form? Acetic acid is formed. CH3 COOH and acetic acid is formed by ammonia. Similarly, we can get from phenyl cyanide. Phenyl cyanide is what? This benzene ring. And cyanide group is directly attached. Hydrolysis takes place in the presence of water, in the presence of acid or alkali. Right. This CN group is changes into the COOH group में. Right. Like benzoic acid is formed. This benzene ring and COOH group. Benzoic acid. Right. And ammonia is formed. Right. Now the next method is hydrolysis of acid derivatives. Acid derivatives like acid chlorides like COCl, esters like RCOO, R dash, amide RCO, NH2, anhydride RCO whole twice O. Right. So I am taking the example one by one. First I am taking the example of acid chloride. So acid chloride says, we have the example acid chloride RCOCl. It is acid chloride. Acid chloride. It is a derivative of carboxylic acid. One OH group, hydroxy group, is replaced by Cl atom. Then acid chloride. When acid chloride get hydrolyzed, then what they will form? They will form carboxylic acid. This R and this Cl, HCl will eliminate. Then RCOOH from water molecule, and one H ions and Cl ions will eliminate HCl, right? This carboxylic acid is formed. Now another example is esters. Esters, as I earlier told you, what? Alkyl group, CO group and OR dash group, right? RCOOR dash group. Hydrolysis takes place. What will happen? Carboxylic acid is formed. RCOOH group, and similarly this R dash O will form alcohol, R dash OH. Fine. Next example I am taking amide. Amide is RCONH2 group is amide. Okay. Hydrolysis hoga. Hydrolysis takes place. Then what will happen? RCOOH carboxylic group and ammonia, H plus NH2 and H plus ion. Then ammonia is formed, right? acid anhydride के लिए हम क्या लेंगे? RCO होल ट्वाइस हो गया और ये कनेक्ट होगा किससे? ऑक्सीजन से, राइट? हाइड्रोलिसिस होगा इसका, क्या हो जाएगा? आपके 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स बन जाएंगे RCOOH, RCOOH. आपको क्या बन जाएगा? 2 मोल ऑफ एसिड, RCOOH. Acid is formed. Okay, all these reactions is happened in the presence of acid or alkali. ये भी आपकी acid और alkali में होंगी. All the reactions takes place in the presence of acid or alkali. All the reactions. So these are the methods by which we can get carboxylic acids, right? Next is,
Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell button.